Today, we're going to talk about a superfood that's been taking the wellness world by storm, maca. This incredible root veggie from the Andes Mountains is packed with nutrients and has been used for centuries to support overall health. Get ready to discover 10 awesome reasons why you should add maca to your diet. Number 1. Boosts your energy and endurance. If you're looking for a natural way to beat fatigue and feel more energized, maca could be a pretty good choice. This superfood is loaded with nutrients like carbs, protein, fiber, and essential minerals that work together to support your adrenal glands, which are basically your body's energy control center. Plus, maca contains special compounds called flavonoids and polyphenols that have been shown to improve endurance and reduce fatigue. Number 2. Helps balance your hormones. Hormones can be tricky, but maca is like a master juggler when it comes to keeping them in check. As an adaptogen, maca helps your body cope with stress and maintain balance. It contains unique compounds that work with your endocrine system to regulate hormones. Studies have even shown that regular maca consumption can help alleviate symptoms of hormonal imbalances, like those experienced during menopause or PCOS. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your hormonal health, maca's definitely worth a try. Number 3. Gives your mood a boost. We all have days when we feel a little down or stressed out, but maca can help put a smile back on your face. This superfood contains flavonoids, which are like natural mood boosters. They work by interacting with neurotransmitters in your brain, like serotonin and GABA, to help you feel more relaxed and positive. Plus, maca's ability to regulate stress hormones can have a big impact on your overall mood and mental well-being. Number 4. Supports your brain power. Want to give your brain a little extra love? Maca's packed with nutrients like omega-3s, iron, and choline that are essential for keeping your mind sharp. Omega-3s help maintain the health of your brain cells, while iron is crucial for producing neurotransmitters that keep your brain functioning at its best. Choline, on the other hand, is a building block for acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that's important for memory and learning. Some studies even suggest that maca may improve cognitive function, especially when it comes to memory and learning. Number 5. Supports reproductive health. Whether you're a man or a woman, maca can be a great ally for your reproductive health. This superfood is loaded with nutrients like zinc, iodine, and essential amino acids that are crucial for keeping your reproductive system in tip-top shape. For men, maca has been shown to improve sperm quality, including concentration, motility, and morphology. And for women, maca may help regulate menstrual cycles and alleviate symptoms of PCOS by balancing estrogen and progesterone levels. So, if you're looking to support your reproductive health naturally, maca's definitely worth considering. Number 6. Boosts immunity. Maca's got plenty of vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds that can help keep your body's defenses strong. For example, maca is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is essential for producing and maintaining white blood cells. It also contains polyphenols and glucosinolates, which have been shown to have immunomodulatory properties. These compounds work by regulating the activity of various immune cells, like macrophages and natural killer cells. Plus, maca's adaptogenic properties help your body better cope with stress, which can have a big impact on your immune function. Number 7. Helps you crush your workouts. If you're looking for a natural way to take your workouts to the next level, maca could be what you're looking for. This superfood's energizing and adaptogenic properties make it an excellent natural performance enhancer. Studies have shown that maca supplementation can improve endurance, reduce fatigue, and increase muscle strength. How does it work? Well, maca helps modulate energy metabolism, reduce oxidative stress, and support your neuroendocrine system. Plus, its high nutrient density, including branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, may support muscle recovery and growth. Number 8. Nourishes your skin from within. You know what they say, beauty starts from the inside out. Maca's rich nutrient profile, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, makes it an excellent choice for promoting healthy, glowing skin. It contains vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis, as well as vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage. Maca's adaptogenic properties also help your skin better cope with stress, which can accelerate aging and contribute to various skin issues. Plus, its ability to regulate hormones may be beneficial for managing hormonal acne and other skin conditions. Number 9. May help with weight management. While Maca isn't a magic weight loss pill, it can be a helpful addition to a healthy diet and lifestyle. Maca's adaptogenic properties may help regulate appetite and reduce cravings by influencing hormones involved in hunger and satiety like leptin and ghrelin. Plus, its energizing effects can help support an active lifestyle and maintain lean body mass during periods of caloric restriction. However, it's important to remember that Maca's potential weight management benefits work best when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. And at number 10, it's easy to add to your favorite recipes. One of the best things about Maca is how easy it is to incorporate into your diet. You can find Maca in various forms, like powder, capsules, and liquid extracts, but the most popular is definitely the powder. Maca powder has a slightly nutty caramel-like flavor that pairs well with all sorts of ingredients. You can add it to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, and even baked goods for a nutrient boost. When you're first starting out with Maca, it's a good idea to begin with a small dose, about 1 teaspoon per day, and gradually increase to the amount that works best for you, usually 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. This helps your body adjust to all the goodness Maca has to offer. Just remember to choose high-quality organic Maca products to ensure you're getting the best of the best. So there you have it, folks. 10 amazing reasons to add Maca to your diet. This incredible superfood is packed with nutrients and offers a wide range of potential health benefits, from supporting your energy and hormonal balance to promoting brain health and overall well-being. By incorporating Maca into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, you can tap into the power of this ancient Peruvian root and feel your best every day. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and informative health content. And don't forget to let us know in the comments how you like to enjoy Maca.